Hurricane Sally's storm surge eroded the underlying rock and soil from the railroad tracks on the west side of Pensacola. You can see here it's not safe to travel on these tracks as is. In addition to that, you had 27 barges that broke free from the new 3-mile bridge construction project, smashing everything in their path, including the bridge. So here comes the cavalry. Dump trucks modified to travel across rail lines backed down 4 at a time, carrying rock and gravel to stabilize the areas that were compromised. A large backhoe helped with placement, and the process was very efficient. When the first dump truck finished offloading, it moved further up the line and made way for the next, until all 4 had finished. On the way out, the trucks tooted the horn for the crowd of kids that had gathered on the beach to watch.